I'm going to show you how to make the classic French casserole Boeuf Bourguignon. Now this is my dad's recipe, and anytime I used to go home to visit the family, this was always on the recipe request list. And my dad's not a chef, he's not French, but this is a really tasty stew, so I hope you enjoy it. Now the prep is really easy. We're just going to chop up some carrot, some onion, and for the bacon, we're using smoked bacon, and we're going to remove the fat just to keep the calories down. My dad didn't do this, but you guys are trying to eat healthier, so we're going to just wheek off that fat and then add it all to an oven-proof dish, and we're going to bung in some mushrooms as well, and we're going to cook this until the onions start to turn brown, the bacon starts to crisp up, and everything starts to smell delicious. Once everything's starting to smell really delicious, we're going to add in the garlic and just fry that for a further 30 seconds or so. We don't add this at the beginning, especially if you're using a puree, because you'll just burn it, and it doesn't need nearly as long as everything else. 30 seconds is fine. Then we're adding in our red wine. Mine's coming from the freezer, and we're just going to reduce that down by about a third to help burn off the alcohol, but still give it that lovely rich flavour. Then we're going to add the beef gravy. This is my dad's one. Normally I would cook casseroles and stews with stock, but he insists on beef gravy, so that's what we're doing. Then we're adding oregano, corn flour, and tomato puree, and then hitting up with the seasoning. Now for the beef, I don't brown this beforehand. I know a lot of people do because it does give it more flavour, but I think the sauce is so rich it probably doesn't need it. So if you've got the time, you can brown it. If not, just bung it all in, and then we're going to cover it, pop it in the oven for about 3 hours at 160.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
So after 3 hours, you've got this amazing casserole. I mean, how good does that look? To serve, you can go with mashed potatoes, or you can just dunk some crusty bread into it. But however you serve it, I hope you enjoy it. And as always, if you want the full recipe and a load of other high protein bangers, just download my recipes app. There's a link to get it in the description below. Thanks for watching. See ya.